Today you join me inside the cab of a Case 844 XL Plus. It's just stopped snowing and I don't feel very well, so we're doing it from inside the cab today. We have power steering, this lovely tractor which is very light, as you can see. Loader, which is very responsive. It's self-leveling as well, which is a very handy feature. Sounding very well. Lovely. With third service also. We have heaters that are working lovely, absolutely magical. Them heaters are. Air conditioning, it's got it. On the back we have 3-point linkage down, 3-point linkage up, and then if I can lean that way, just turn the PTO on. There you go, doing his little dance. It's lovely. Right, in we go. Oh, God, I feel a bit groggy. Right, very nice place to sit. Working handbrake. Lovely heaters. I love them heaters. It's very simple and easy to use. Forward. First. Second. Third. Fourth. Stop. Very good brakes. Then you go into high, which is the stair, and we're off. Being the Plus, it will be a slightly faster road speed than normal, but we're not going that fast today. We're just poodling around with the heating on. Lovely, nice and warm. Minding these potholes. We're swimming in these soon. Pothole pioneering we are. Take that tree. There we go. Third. Finally fourth. We won't go flat out. But anyway, good brakes, which will stop you dead. Last but not least, reverse. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, I have to get out the cab now. A bit gutted really. Cold out here. More information available at Elwood Farm Machinery UK and the Facebook page Elwood Farm Machinery. Thank you very much for your time.